In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Trello account. We're going to walk through the key areas that protect your access and keep your information recoverable so that if anything happens, like losing a device or changing emails, you can still get into your Trello boards without stress. Start by opening Trello in your browser and heading to your boards page. This is your home base, where you can quickly confirm that everything you care about is visible and accessible. Open one of your boards to make sure your account is active and you're signed in. From any board, look toward the top of the screen for your profile or account area. Click that to open your account menu. This is where you'll find the controls that matter most for safeguarding access. Choose Manage Account to jump into your Atlassian account settings. Trello uses Atlassian for identity and security, so this is where we'll tune up the details that function like your safety net. In the settings, open the email section. Here, verify the primary email on your account and check whether sign in with Google is enabled. If you're using a connected sign-in like Google, make sure that account is healthy and you can still access it. This matters because if you lose access to the connected account, it can affect your ability to get into Trello. Also review your connected accounts in this same area. This shows which third-party logins are tied to your profile. It's a good time to remove anything you don't use anymore and make sure everything listed is current and trusted. If you need to add or update an email, enter a new address in the New Email Address field. This is especially helpful if you're switching providers or you want to maintain a recovery-friendly inbox. After entering the new email, save your changes. You may be asked to verify the new address, so keep an eye on your inbox for a confirmation message and complete that step to lock it in. Next, head to the security section. This is where you'll strengthen the core of your account. Start by entering your current password and then choose a new, strong password. A good rule of thumb is to use a long, unique passphrase that you don't reuse anywhere else. Saving this change ensures that if an old password ever leaked elsewhere, your Trello access stays protected. While you're in security, open the option to manage two-step verification. Turning this on adds a second layer at sign-in, such as a code from an authenticator app. It's one of the most effective ways to prevent unauthorized access. Follow the prompts to set it up, and make sure to store any recovery codes in a safe place so you're not locked out if you lose a device. You'll also see an option to create and manage passkeys. Passkeys let you sign in using built-in device security, like your phone's biometrics, and they're both secure and convenient. If you use multiple devices, consider adding a passkey on each trusted one, following the on-screen instructions. Finally, review your recent devices. This list shows where your account has been active. If you spot anything you don't recognize, revoke access for that device and change your password again if needed. Keeping this list tidy helps ensure only your trusted computers and phones are connected. By visiting your boards, checking your account details, confirming your email, and tightening security with a new password, two-step verification, passkeys, and a device review, you've effectively created a strong backup plan for your Trello account. These steps don't export your boards. Instead, they protect the pathway to all your data so you can always regain access when you need it. Keep these settings up to date and you'll be ready for whatever comes your way.